Hi everybody. I've stepped into the video world here in order to demonstrate what we've been talking about, which is how technology has really helped me as an orthodontist do what I do for you even better. And one of those areas is in the kinds of wires that we use to move the teeth. And I'm going to show you right now, this is an example of what we call an arch wire. The reason we call it an arch wire is because looking at the teeth this way, if you look at the upper jaw from this perspective, it forms an arch. So when we use a wire to help line the teeth up in that manner, we refer to this as an arch wire. This is the kind of material that we've used for many, many years in orthodontics to move teeth. It's made out of a material called stainless steel, and steel, by the sound of it, is rather stiff. I'm going to give you an example of that. If I bend this wire, you see that it holds the bend that I put in it. It's going to stay that way until I come back and I bend it back to where it was. It's stiff, it's firm, it's done the job we wanted it to do, but over the years, our patients have said, that's a really firm wire. That really felt really strong when you put it in my mouth. It sometimes can also make the teeth a bit sore. So what's occurred recently for us in recent years is a new material called nickel titanium. This is a wire that is made from two metals, nickel and titanium. And the blend of it gives the wire a whole new set of properties. We actually got this wire from the NASA program. This wire, frankly, was designed by rocket scientists, so they put a lot of technology into how this does what it does. You see it still has the arch form, which is what we wanted to do to help line the teeth up, but this wire, if you remember what I did the last time with the stainless steel wire, if I bend this wire, here I'm going to bend it, watch what happens. Did it hold the bend I gave it? No, it doesn't. It goes right back to where it was originally. The wire is soft. It's not stiff like the stainless steel was. This particular material goes one step further. It is sensitive to temperature. What this does is this will change its characteristics if the temperature of the wire is changed. At room temperature, it's very springy. It's flexible. But if I cool it down, if I make it very cold using this cold snap freeze spray, just like this, it's no longer springy. If I bend it, look what happens. It keeps the bend. It's lost all of its ability to return to where it was. I can even put a circle in it. I can really bend it. Look at that. The other side is still springy, but this side has lost all of that ability to spring back. I can make it go back to where it was if I change its temperature again. Now, when I cooled it down, it becomes dead soft, no spring. But if I take some warm water and warm the wire up again, watch what happens. Look at that. Isn't that something? Pretty amazing. I didn't straighten the wire out, the change in temperature did. Let me show it to you again so you can see how that works. Watch. What happens? So, this wire for orthodontists today, when we put this in someone's braces, is a very soft, gentle wire that has just enough spring to it to help move the teeth gently and very effectively. And the temperature sensitivity of the wire is a special thing because when this wire is room temperature, as it is now, it has some gentle flex to it. When I put it in someone's mouth and their mouth warms it up, you saw what happened. It actually becomes a little stiffer and it moves the teeth even better. So there you have it, nickel titanium wire.